Isa ka ba sa naka-receive sa inyong Adsense account ng notification about sa Singapore tax info? Click nyo lang yung Add Tax Info, then click yung Add Tax Info ulit. Click the Start to Fill Up form. In Payments Info form, what is your business type? Choose Individual Sole Proprietor.
Do you have a permanent establishment in Singapore? No. Are you registered for Singapore Goods and Services Tax? No. Skip the unique entity number. Are you eligible for tax exemptions? No. Are you eligible for other exemptions or lower tax rates? No. Then click Submit. Once submitted, you will be redirected to your Payments Info dashboard and you will see a notification that your tax info has been accepted. You may also check your email for the email notification that your tax info has been accepted. Thank you, and don't forget to click the subscription button. Keep safe, everyone.